In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Sheets automation in Make.com. First, open Make.com and log in to your account. From the dashboard, click on Scenarios, then select Create a new scenario. This will open the scenario editor, where you can build your automation step by step. Now click the plus button and search for Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets from the app list, then choose the action you want to use. For example, you can watch new rows, add a new row, update a row, search rows, or delete rows. If you want the automation to start whenever new data is added to a spreadsheet, choose Watch New Rows. This will make Google Sheets the trigger for your scenario. Next, connect your Google account. Make.com will ask for permission to access your Google Sheets. Review the permission request, choose the correct Google account, and approve the connection. After connecting, select the spreadsheet you want to use. Then choose the specific sheet tab where your data is stored. Make.com may also ask where to start watching rows, such as from now or from a specific row. Once the Google Sheets trigger is ready, add your next module. This is the action that happens after a new row appears. For example, you can send an email, create a Notion page, send a Telegram message, update a CRM, or create an invoice. Now map the data from your spreadsheet into the second module. For example, you can use the customer name, email address, order number, payment status, or message details from each row. When everything is configured, click Run once to test the automation. Add a new row to your spreadsheet and check if Make.com detects it correctly. If the test works, turn on the scenario using the switch at the bottom. From now on, Make.com can automatically process new spreadsheet data based on your workflow. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.